Hey, in this video, I'll show you and explain to you why dark mode isn't showing up on your Snapchat, how you can potentially fix it depending on your country, and other things like this. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, make sure you give me a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you're new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out. So what you want to do is open up Snapchat and you want to make sure you have the latest version. So you can go on the Google Play Store or the App Store and type in Snapchat. And the Snapchat dark mode is actually a recent update. You can do it. I have a video on it, how to do it without the update. But it's a recent update. So you want to make sure you have the updated version. If this doesn't work, chances are you cannot get it. You cannot get Snapchat dark mode because you are not from the United States or one of the tier 1 countries, just like I'm not. By the way, I'm from Europe. So you can do get a VPN just like I did, a free one, like this one for iPhone. There's plenty of others for an Android device, and you can use a VPN. Another thing you can do is go on your settings, go over to General, click on iPhone storage, find Snapchat here. Should be somewhere around here. It is. And you want to offload the app and then reload it again. And this will basically reset your settings and clear the cache. And this sometimes helps. If this video helped you out, give me a like. I want to see you next one.